Welcome to the part 15 of the Gregg Shorthand course. In this video, we're going to have a look at BR and BL, which means that we're going to see how to make some words containing BR and BL. Alright, so first of all, we will make some characters like B, R, and L. Alright, so B in Gregg Shorthand is made like this, R is made like this, and L is made like this. Alright, so suppose if we have a word here called brain. Right, so first if you notice here, first of all we have this B character, then we have this R character, then we have this A character which is very similar to this one as in came, then we have this N character finally. So we will combine these characters to make our overall word. So overall word will go like this. So if you notice here again we have first this B character, then this R character, then this A vowel, and then finally we have this N character, okay, which is a short stroke. Alright, so suppose if you have another word called breach. Alright, so let's look at this. First we have this B, then we have this R, then we have this E vowel which is very similar to this one as in need, then we have this cha sound. So cha in Gregg Shorthand is made like this. Alright, so we will combine these characters, so the overall breach word will be made like this. Okay, so this is our word breach. So let's take another, like we have a word called bridge. Bridge, okay. So again B, then R, then E vowel, then we have this J sound, okay. So J in Gregg Shorthand is made like this, a long stroke. So we'll combine these characters. So the overall bridge word will be made like this. Okay, so you notice here we used cha and here we used J. So this one is a short stroke and this one is a long stroke. Alright, so this is our final word called bridge. So these were some words that contain BR in them. So now we'll take some words which contain BL in them. Alright, so these were the words that contain BR in them. Now we're gonna take some words that contain BL in them. Alright. So our first word is, let's say, blame. Alright, let's blame. So we notice here first we have B character, then we have this L, okay, and then we have this A vowel, then we have this M. Alright, so okay, let's make this word. Overall blame word will be made like this. Blame. So we have this B, then we have this L which is a long curve, and then we have this final M which is a long stroke. Alright, because N is made like this and M is made like this, which is a long stroke, longer stroke than N. Alright, so suppose if we have another word called blade. So first we have B, then we have this L, then we have this A vowel, then we have this D. Okay, so D in Gregg Shorthand is made like this and T is made like this. This is T and this is D. So D stroke is longer than T. So let's make this final word by combining these characters. So the overall blade word will be made like this. So this is B, this is L, this is A vowel, and this is final D. Let's take another called Blair. Alright, so again B, then L, then A vowel, then we have final R. Let's make it. It will be made like this. Okay, this is B, this is L, this is A vowel, and then we have this final R. Alright, so that was all about it. I'll see you in the next video.